In every corner of our cosmos, from the smallest particle to the sprawling galaxies, there is a ceaseless activity of motion and vibration. This phenomenon, referred to as the Kalian vibration, serves as the essential pulse from which all things in our universe have emerged. It traces back to a dramatic convergence of forces that sparked the creation of all known matter. The renowned inventor Nikola Tesla once pointed out that by unraveling the mysteries of energy, frequency, and vibration, one could unlock the secrets of the universe itself. Modern studies echo this idea, illustrating that everything around us, be it tangible objects or intangible thoughts and emotions, vibrates at a unique frequency. As we proceed, we will examine the profound impact our thoughts, emotions, and feelings have on the reality we experience. It's intriguing to consider that our existence isn't merely a collection of accidental events, but is sculpted by our vibrational energies. The discussion will further cover how changes in these vibrations can be transformative. By raising our vibrational baseline, we not only shift our perspective, but also transition into a new realm of existence. This transformation, which becomes more apparent through consistent practice, is not just about seeing the world differently. It's about moving into a new phase of life that unfolds new possibilities and realities. Harnessing higher vibrational levels. Exploring the concept of human consciousness and its various frequencies reveals intriguing insights, particularly as discussed by Dr. David Hawkins in his book Power versus Force. Dr. Hawkins introduces the idea that every person and object radiates energy that oscillates at different rates. He presents a scale of consciousness ranging from 1 to 1,000 to classify emotions by their vibrational strengths. Emotions like shame, fear, and guilt are found at the lower end of the spectrum, signaling lower vibrational levels, whereas feelings of love, joy, and peace vibrate at much higher and more favorable frequencies. Research by Hawkins points out that the average individual resonates at a vibrational level of 207. But why do many of us get stuck at these lower vibrational levels? Throughout our existence, we accumulate blocks of stagnant energy and negative conditioning that drag us down. These can arise from personal challenges, such as entrenched limiting beliefs and past traumas, or from broader societal influences, including fear and anxiety propagated by the media and people in positions of authority. These factors combine to keep us locked in states of low energy, which stifles our creativity and diminishes our overall joy. It is within these low vibrational states that manipulative entities often find it easiest to exert their influence. Therefore, what should be our goal? It is beneficial to aspire to a vibrational level of 500 or higher, a state synonymous with love. At such a frequency, one's life can undergo a profound transformation where love, joy, and abundance are more readily available, and the burdens of stress and challenge are lessened. It's at this higher frequency that we can truly begin to attract the experiences and desires we seek. While our vibrational levels can vary, we typically have a predominant frequency determined by our system of thoughts, which includes all of our beliefs, ideas, and actions, whether we are conscious of them or not. These systems of thought are crucial in defining our vibrational state, which in turn influences the situations and outcomes we experience in our lives. Essentially, our vibrational imprint molds our reality. By becoming more conscious of these vibrational frequencies and their impact on our lives, we can see the tangible benefits of operating at a higher frequency. Imagine leading a life filled with positivity and achievements that once seemed impossible. By understanding and adjusting our vibrational levels, we not only improve our personal lives, but also positively affect those around us, sending waves of well-being through our communities. The concept of vibration is more than a personal journey. It is a collective movement towards a world that is more synchronized and harmonious. Reflecting inner vibrations. In earlier videos, we've discussed the idea that our inner thoughts and feelings reflect outwardly in our lives. This is encapsulated by sayings like, as above, so below, and as within, so without. Many of the beliefs that shape how we experience life are operating on a subconscious level, much like unseen software running in the background, influencing our lives whether we realize it or not. Emotions are vital in this process as they signal the vibrational frequency of our thoughts, beliefs, words, and actions, allowing us to gauge where our personal experiences are taking shape. Consider a vibrational scale that ranges from 0, indicative of the densest, most static state of being, to 1,000, which symbolizes the ultimate state of enlightenment. This scale focuses on the inherent energy of each level, not mere appearances or superficial attributes. Each level on this scale is associated with a specific amount of life energy, or fuel, that helps us engage with life more fully. Every choice you make, belief you maintain, word you utter, and action you engage in influences the vibrational energy you emit at any moment, whether you're conscious of it or not. While it may appear that our thoughts initiate our feelings, it actually starts with a foundational, often subconscious, thought or feeling. This base layer activates the conscious thoughts and subsequent emotional responses. For example, if you maintain a fundamental state of peace, this calm permeates your thoughts. Similarly, feelings of joy, love, and harmony will reflect in your thought patterns. These emotions prompt thoughts that perpetuate and amplify the foundational mental state, fostering either a positive cycle of well-being or a negative spiral, depending on the vibrational frequency you align with. The concept of energy frequencies isn't merely theoretical, but has real-world implications. By deliberately choosing thoughts that raise our vibrational level, we can directly affect our emotional health and overall well-being. This conscious effort to manage our vibrational state can enhance mental clarity, promote peace of mind, and enrich our lives with joy. Recognizing the link between our emotions and their vibrational roots offers new opportunities for personal growth and self-awareness. By paying attention to our feelings and identifying the thoughts behind them, we can start to make deliberate changes that boost our vibrational frequency. This not only aids our personal and spiritual development, but also influences the collective energy, fostering a more unified world. Actively engaging with this knowledge equips us to shape a life that aligns with our deepest desires and values. Transforming emotions. The idea that we can select our emotions as we do items from a shelf is a misconception. Instead, the reality is that our awareness and recognition of our feelings are within our grasp. Every decision we make, including the beliefs we nurture, the thoughts we ponder, the words we utter, and the actions we take, has a direct impact on our emotional state. If you find yourself dissatisfied with how you feel, consider altering these elements, as they are the foundations of your emotional experience. Making small, step-by-step changes can significantly transform your emotions, evolving from feelings of shame to guilt, and from guilt to apathy, which can boost your energy both mentally and physically. So, how can we shift our core emotional state to draw in and experience the life we aspire to? It begins with understanding certain key principles that can usher us towards a life filled with peace and purpose. Often, when people learn about the concept of emotional vibrations, their initial reaction is to resist their current feelings, mistakenly believing they need to immediately rid themselves of these negative vibrations. However, labeling emotions such as fear, desire, anger, or pride as negative and then resisting them might actually strengthen those feelings. Instead, by embracing and accepting your emotions as they are and not trying to push them away, you can experience a transformative shift. This acceptance, a notion supported by David Hawkins, can not only elevate your energy levels, but also free you from lower emotional states and elevate your consciousness. Once you've adopted a stance of acceptance, you can explore the benefits of actively engaging with your emotions. By choosing how you respond to what you feel, you can create a positive atmosphere that encourages well-being and growth. This does not entail forcing happiness or ignoring problems, but involves interacting with your emotions in a way that promotes health and personal development. Developing a mindfulness practice can significantly support this journey. Mindfulness means observing your thoughts and emotions without judgment. Engaging in this practice regularly allows you to identify patterns in your emotional responses and subtly guide them towards more beneficial outcomes. This personal improvement not only betters your own life, but also positively affects those around you as your uplifted spirits become contagious. By practicing these methods, you not only improve your own emotional well-being, but also attract similar positive energies, setting the stage for a life of contentment and satisfaction. Mastering the art of balance. Striking the perfect balance between exertion and relaxation is essential for personal development and influencing the course of our lives. People often stress the importance of letting things happen as they will, but being proactive and present is equally vital. By fully participating in life's processes without fixating on specific outcomes, we find happiness not at the end of our journey, but throughout it. Learning to maintain this balance is key. When you focus on what you want, you shape your desires with your intentions. Conversely, by easing your control, you allow the universe to potentially guide you to better outcomes, embracing a collaborative approach to life's unfolding events. Re-evaluating the blend of dedication and relinquishment reflects this concept well. It's crucial to have goals, yet diving into the experience and trusting the universe with the results holds equal weight. Manage what's within your reach and appreciate what you have. By concentrating on abundance over scarcity, you invite more positivity into your life. Instead of resisting what's currently happening, direct your energy towards your ambitions. Successful individuals focus on their goals and actively work towards them while letting the universe play its role. This approach doesn't ignore obstacles, but rather involves selecting how and where to best invest your efforts. Focusing too intensely on what you want to achieve can create a disconnect between your present situation and your aspirations, leading to frustration. A more fruitful approach involves setting realistic goals and then allowing the universe to intervene as needed. Here, the law of assumption can alleviate the process by lessening the weight given to these goals. Obsessing over an objective can drive it away, erecting barriers and causing self-defeat. By diminishing the importance of the goal, focusing on immediate steps, and trusting the universe's influence, you clear the way for more favorable outcomes. It's critical to foster a mindset of balance, where diligent efforts are complemented by the ability to let go, reducing stress and enhancing effectiveness. This approach aligns you with your goals while improving your overall mental health by lessening anxieties about unmet expectations. Recognizing that we don't control everything allows us to concentrate on our actions and leave the results to higher powers, smoothing our path to success. In practicing this, we not only achieve our deepest desires, but also enjoy a life enriched by continuous growth and satisfaction. Conclusion: achieving the life we envision requires a keen awareness of our emotional and mental landscapes. By staying attuned to our feelings, we can accurately assess our emotional well-being at any given moment. This insight empowers us to adjust our energy levels to better resonate with our goals. Learning to embrace acceptance and the act of letting go is crucial in overcoming negative emotions and elevating our overall energy. It's also important to strike a balance between taking purposeful action and allowing things to unfold, trusting that the universe will support our endeavors to fulfill our ambitions. By concentrating on our true objectives, steering clear of fixation, and maintaining confidence, we position ourselves to steer our own fate and achieve our cherished dreams. Consistently cultivating a positive mindset can profoundly improve our capability to bring our aspirations to fruition. This involves establishing a routine of recognizing and valuing the positives in every scenario, which in turn enhances our energy. This practice isn't limited to times of meditation or quiet reflection. It should permeate all aspects of our daily life, including our interactions with others. By nurturing a sense of gratitude and positivity, we lay a strong foundation that draws more happiness, success, and satisfaction into our lives, making us not just dreamers, but active architects of a thriving future.